So next one is, what is your future plan, Vinit?
My future plan is pretty simple. I want to gain more experience in the startup so that I can have my own startup. So that's why I joined some startup to gain how everything works. You learn all not only technology. You can be self sufficient in the technology. There are other aspects like business, which you can learn if you are in a small startup. You interact with sales team, customer success team, and you learn all these aspects as well. And then that helps you to have your own startup in future.
Okay. So can you say something about my classes?
Yes.
That you are my
Uh,
student. I
I,
can.
I still remember everything. I used to like join your classes every day. I used to sit in the back bench. I was the backbencher all the time. And there were so many talented kids who used to sit in the front seat, and they also got good rank. But I used to sit in the last bench. Like data structure and algorithm, I always liked. I also liked your classes, the way you teach, and that is like that. So the style you take to teach the algorithm is for everyone. If you know algorithm, that's good. If you don't know algorithm, you will teach in such a way that the every kid can understand it from beginning itself. So that's what I like about that teaching style, the representation of the linked list. I still remember stack everything. So what I read from you, and then I used to follow the core man and everything at that time, and I used to reach out to you for all these discussion as well. So you were readily available all the time to, as we discussed that while going back to your room or going back to my room or coming to classes, you were always available to solve all these questions. So thanks for that. That helped me a lot. And I would highly recommend, like, if you want to learn all the gate subject, probably like you are the best one to teach any of the kid who doesn't have any exposure, because the problem is that like in your classes people come from all the background, correct? They can come from all the NITs or tier 3 tier 2 classes, colleges, correct? So you have to take a path which is very which is good for everyone rather than catering to a single person. So it doesn't matter from where are you coming, it matters
Try
from.
to try to. So if you, I learn many things from you, Vinit. I still remember. I still remember because when I see Facebook and all, when I see your face, I immediately used to remember some doubts which you asked.
Yeah.
Some doubts which you
Yeah.
asked, I still remember. If you remember, I am not. I don't know. You asked me once upon a time, like creating a binary tree. How much time?
I I I I I don't remember now, but these were the question of a child, correct? Like you always get a lot of weird
No,
question.
I still
Some
remember. I
question will,
still remember. I still
yeah.
remember. So
Oh
yeah, you
yeah,
can.
that I remember that question was there in the core man or somewhere, and I was looking for the proof for that, how many combinations will be there of a binary tree or something. So I remember that now, but still I don't remember because that proof came from some combination algorithm or something. So
Yeah,
I
I
don't know,
still.
like,
I
yeah.
trust me. Trust me. I learn many things from you. After
Uh,
you, one more kid came. After you, one more kid came. His name is Praveen.
okay,
I thought you are extreme. He is more extreme.
nice. I
Yeah.
should meet him.
Yeah. Afterwards, some more people came. Right? They are more danger. Thank God.
Yes,
Thank God you came first. Otherwise, they could have killed me. Because of
the
you, I went some deep.
I
Because of
think kids
little.
are kids are getting like exposure to all these books, and they are also like all these kids are highly talented these days, and they want to learn everything, and like during our time we don't have that much exposure. Internet was a thing. People don't get that internet access that easily. So now kids are very talented, and like I work with so many freshers and graduate. They are highly talented individuals, and they come with so much preparation. So you learn a lot from them. I would have, like, I feel you are also facing the same thing what I'm facing in my company. People come with so much like so much talent directly from college. That's why I'm saying if you are in IIT, be prepared. Like people right now are not looking for tag or anything. People are looking for if you can deliver it or not. So be prepared, do your work. It doesn't matter from where are you coming. It matters how, if you can deliver it or not.
Yeah, it was nice talking to you, Vinit. So you helped us in so many aspects. I think this particular interview will be useful to all the students who are preparing and who completed and who is doing job also. You are role model to all my students, right, and future generations also. Thank you so much. It was nice to have you.